As the first phase of the Lok Sabha elections starts across various states and union territories, political parties are once again hitting the campaign with the new manifestos that talks about the same old promises. But the question is, will this Lok Sabha election bring a new era of progress or lead to further setbacks for the nation? Since the BJP's rise to power in 2014, India has faced issues such as anti-Muslim hate speeches, communal unrest, women's safety, and rising unemployment. Concerns that weigh heavily on the minds of Indian citizens. Moreover, the BJP's bold new slogan, Ab ki baar 400 Par, suggests the party is aiming for a significant electoral victory. What could this mean for the future of India? Let's discuss in this video. On March 10, 2024, Rahul Gandhi, in a post on X, expressed concerns over the slogan, alleging a covert motive to amend the constitution. He cited Karnataka BJP Anant Kumar Hegde's remarks where he suggested the need for 400 seats to effect constitutional changes. Justifying this 400 Par slogan, Karnataka BJP explained the need for such a figure. As per him, the party intends to change the constitution for which two-thirds majority is needed. Modi ji said that we need to secure more than 400 seats this time. Why 400? Hegde explains, we currently have a two-thirds majority in the Lok Sabha, but we lack the same in the Rajya Sabha. Additionally, we lack required majority in the state governments, Hegde said. If we are to make amendments to the constitution like the ones Congress made, then this majority won't suffice. Reacting to his statement, Rahul Gandhi said, and I quote, "Constitutional amendment is the hidden agenda of Narendra Modi and the Sangh Parivar. Their ultimate goal is to destroy Baba Saheb's constitution. They hate justice, equality, civil rights and democracy." Well, this is not the first time BJP politicians have spoken about changing the constitution. BJP MP Lallu Singh and Jyoti Mirdha from Nagaur constituency in Rajasthan have recently made headlines for demanding a constitutional change. A similar controversy was also generated after a video went viral featuring Arun Govil, the Ramayana actor who is also a BJP candidate in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. In the video, he said, and I quote, "The constitution has witnessed changes over a period of time, and that change is a sign of development. It's not a bad thing. Situations were different at that time. The current situation is different. So if changes are to be made, BJP will go for it." Not too long ago, the chief of the Prime Minister's Economic Advisory Council, Vivek Debroy, had also called for a new constitution. The list of BJP MLAs who are openly giving statements on amending the constitution goes on. T. Raja Singh, BJP MLA from Telangana, who has had 104 FIRs filed against him for religious hate speech, he too made a similar remark about the constitutional amendment. The ongoing Lok Sabha elections are a fight between those who want to protect the constitution and those who want to destroy it, Rahul Gandhi claimed in a Tamil Nadu rally while accusing the ruling party of imposing the idea of one leader in the country. Well, with this time India choose a responsible leader is something the whole nation is looking forward to.